Hello, my fellow fashionistas. Welcome to Candid Corner. This is the place where your favorite real-life celebrities become super real and answer some fun fashion fitness related questions. My guest today is a content creator. Please welcome Sakshi Shivdasani. Hi Sakshi, welcome. How are you?
I'm good, Renal. How are you?
Very, very well. I love what you're wearing. This pink fuchsia vibe.
Thank you.
Looks very you.
Thank you.
Because you're all dressed up and in fashion, I want to ask you some fashion related questions.
Go for it.
Who's one dream fashion designer of yours that you want to walk the ramp for?
Sabyasachi.
Yeah, fair enough. Totally. Why is that though? Why is he like your dream designer?
I want to see how I look in a lehenga outfit.
Fair enough, yeah. What would you wear for the first time that you're meeting your boyfriend's parents?
I think I would wear sweatpants and stuff because I don't want to give them expectations.
Yeah.
Like, keep it.
Like it's not like you don't want to wear like salwar kameez and be like.
No.
What are 3 fashion essentials in your bag?
I wear those slides, you know, the Adidas ka slides. I
got
wear,
it.
yeah. And I wear a lot of crop tops.
Yeah.
And leggings. Yeah.
Leggings. Perfect. What is your favorite daytime lipstick?
I don't wear lipstick on a daily basis.
Yeah.
So, but whenever I do, I use this one nude shade of Maybelline.
Yeah.
It's called Seductress. So,
Okay, what is one look of yours that you absolutely loved from the reality show that you did?
I did wear this really pretty yellow color swimsuit.
Yeah.
But it
that's
was
fine,
very
huh?
pretty.
Okay, that one. Perfect. Thank you, Sakshi.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank
One of
you,
these
sir.
fashion tips. It's been amazing.
Amazing.
An Asming trailer. This.
Thank you for watching.
In the words of Marc Jacob, clothes mean nothing until someone lives in them. Keep on watching Candid Corner. Hello, my fellow fashionistas. Welcome to Candid Corner. This is the space where your real-life celebrities become super real and answer some fun fashion questions. My guest today is a part of a 4.5 million subscribed YouTube channel. It's Sonal Devraj. Hi, Sonal. How are you doing?
I'm good. How
Welcome.
are you? Hi.
Looking very stunning and fashionable.
Thank
in
you
this.
so much. I had to keep up to you. You're a fashion icon right now.
On this note, I want to ask you a few fashion-related questions. What is that one outfit that you can never part with?
Tracks and t-shirt.
Tracks and t-shirt.
Yeah.
How many do you own?
A lot of tracks. Because I'm a dancer, right?
You're a dancer.
So I think I was owning 40
40 pairs.
pants.
Pants. What's your favorite performance costume?
My favorite performance costume is sari.
But is it difficult to dance in a sari though?
I make it a ready-made sari, so I stitch it up. So it feels like a lungi skirt.
Oh, so like it's not like a
Pre-stitched.
normal
Yeah, dancing in sari is difficult, but if it's stitched, it's as good as a skirt.
skirt.
Yeah.
Okay, fab. Who's your style icon and why?
I really like JLo's sense of fashion, and because it just looks cool on her, and she's extremely fit.
Stunning.
She's stunning, no? She's an
She
icon.
does like lots of these tassels also on her outfits.
yeah,
no?
it's
Just
like all
turns and-
performance outfits,
I
and her
love those-
tracks when she rehearses are amazing.
What's your favorite vacation look?
Beachy dress,
Very like,
floral,
Flowy.
flowy, and you know.
thank you so much. I'm glad you gave us
Thank
these
you.
fashion insights.
I had fun.
Me too. You can say thank you to everybody. In the words of Chanel, every day is a fashion show and the world is the runway. Keep on watching Candid Corner. Hello, my fellow fashionistas. Welcome to Candid Corner. This is the place where your favorite real-life celebrities become super real and answer some fun fashion fitness questions. My guest today is an actor who has forayed into web shows, multiple of them, including one that was nominated for the Emmys. Please welcome Tanuj Virbani. Hi.
Hello!
How are you?
As good as I've ever been.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
You're like radiating energy and like fashion and style and all of that, which I'm enjoying.
Well, you did ask me to like turn up in my best outfits. I was like, let's do it.
Which is why should I ask you a few fashion queries of mine.
Knock yourself out. Let's go.
What is your favorite outfit in your closet?
My birthday outfit.
What is the color that you've been obsessed with lately?
Neon orange. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Very psychedelic. Yeah.
It's like I read your brain.
You know me too well, man.
What would you wear to a brunch with your squad?
with my squad? I don't know, maybe like a nice linen white shirt and a pair of jeans or...
A chill vibe,
Yeah,
no?
chill vibe, you know, maybe like a hat if I want to like accessorize or something. Right? But yeah, pair of shades to... Because brunch usually turns into drunch, so yeah.
I'm down for that.
Oh, I'm sure you are.
What would you wear to your ex's wedding?
Oh, t-shirt saying been there, done that. Yeah.
All black?
Of course, yeah. No, I wouldn't say all black because we're not exactly in mourning. No, he should be in mourning. So yeah.
Fair enough. Well done, Tanuj. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This has been great.
Thank you.
Thank you for answering these wonderful
Of
questions.
course.
And say thank you again.
Thank you so much for having me part of this amazing segment with Rachel.
In the words of Rachel Zoe, style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. I'll see you in the next episode. Hi guys, I'm Renly Abraham and welcome to Candid Corner. My guest tonight is a content creator who blew up during the lockdown and has already become the millennial sweetheart. Keep guessing who it is. I'm going to discuss some fashion with her. Hi Tanisha, aka The Tanisho.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Very, very good.
What's
I'm
happening in
doing
your
great.
life?
Nothing much, just content and personal life.
It's a mix.
It's a mix.
Good one. I want to ask you about like a few things about fashion and like what you, like do you sort of put in time to like find out what the trend is and what is in style and all of that?
No, not
No.
really. I've always just stuck with whatever I like.
Which is
personally.
what? Like what are your three basic go-tos from your wardrobe?
Okay, so like sometimes I go like super like pastel, like
Yeah.
light pinks and nudes and all that.
Yeah.
And then sometimes I go into this really emo mood with like black, full black,
Yeah.
everything black.
Goth.
Necklace, yeah, full
Yeah.
goth. And then sometimes I'm just fully like Dila clothes, just baggy, everything.
Yeah.
Don't have the time or effort to do any of that.
Do you ever look up to any of the creators or the actors whose looks you really like or enjoy or whatever?
So I really like Alia Kashyap's looks. I think she
Oh, I love Alia Kashyap.
She's
yeah.
got
I think she's such a
just-
fun person on
she's
social media.
so cute. She's so
Yeah.
fun, and her looks they're not too much, but they look so wow. Like
Yeah.
you look at her and you're like,
Yeah.
wow, she dresses so well.
I want to know a few fun things like when you're old enough to sort of date someone, you can have an ex who's getting married and all of that. What is one outfit that you would wear to the ex's engagement party?
So if it was like a Western party, I'd wear like sexy long red dress with a slit and everything.
That's it. The marriage will break that day only. Fab. What about if you're going to a place where you don't want people to recognize you? What would you wear?
Oh, I just take off my specs, then nobody can recognize me.
What nonsense!
If
What do you mean?
if I take off my specs and wear a mask, nobody recognizes me.
Really?
Definitely.
Okay, you also want to act, right?
Yeah.
Who's your dream director?
My dream director, probably Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Now imagine Sanjay Leela Bhansali has offered you like a movie. He's called you in for a meeting. What would you wear to that?
Oh, like heavy Indian.
Heavy Indian.
Heavy Indian.
Okay, fab.
definitely.
What if you're going to like the success party of a show that one of your friends have done, but you know it's not that good?
I would wear a T-shirt that says, "Is this a joke?"
Well done, well done. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys got some interesting fashion tips and tricks from Tanisha. If you did, let us know.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon.